Damn it, I thought I was recording. I was like 2 minutes in. We got this object right here that's just blinking and it's stationary. And I'll zoom out to give you guys an idea here. Let it roll a little bit. It doesn't look like the normal aircraft that flows through here. We do get a lot of air traffic right here. LAX is to my right. We'll check the time right now. It's the 8th of January, Thursday. See, it's just blinking in one spot. And it's not a helicopter. You can see some air traffic going through there right now. A couple lens flares at the top of the camera there. See, that plane just went by. This thing is just standing in one spot. And I don't know, it may be a high-powered, very high-quality drone. Very possible. But I don't think your average drone is gonna look like this. And as you know, we've been capturing a lot of weird stuff straight from here. Just everywhere, man. I mean, we've been going parts of San Bernardino, Riverside County. Just happens everywhere. Let this roll and I'll see if I could go live right now. I'll make a long vid for you, LIB. I'll try to make it as long as possible. Woo! And those boys are on live right now. They're at the beach. Somewhere, Satan's Beach or something. Up in New York. Good luck to them on their adventure out. Hear fireworks in the background. There's a lens flare. I believe that's a lens flare. Should be. Yep. Street light. So the object is slowly moved towards the left there. And the screen here looks pretty round. Earlier it was looking kind of odd shape, but now it has a round look to it. And I don't have anything to identify. I need to get me something to start identifying aircraft and stuff like that. I heard the iPhone has something. I gotta figure out how to work that, if that's true. See, that looked kind of weird there. Look at that. And when I first looked at it, I did get some green colors. Looks like some green colors are coming in there. And your normal flight colors are what, like red and white? Not mistaken. I don't know, I wonder, it looks like if it's heading, I wonder if it's heading this way. Got that feeling, and it just has that look to me of not your normal aircraft. Like I said, not your normal helicopters around here like LAPD or CHP, Sheriff Department. Get a lot of air traffic, I mentioned, lots of different helicopters, fire and stuff like that, emergency. It just seems different. Top left there, that's a star coming in. Frame there. Holding still, and now it looks like it's going towards the right a little bit. And I have recorded reported something similar to this before, where the thing was just blinking at a really high altitude. Give you guys an idea what it looks like from down here. Body's been a little sore. I moved slightly there, and keep in mind that I'm trying to stay as still as possible. And yo, Jeff, I'm seeing your messages, bro. Messages are coming in. And my body's sore. I did a little workout the past couple of days, so that feels good. But man, I'm holding as tight as possible here, yo. See that? It just looks odd to me. Big, bright light. Seems like pulsating. It's odd shape. And we got that whole supposed UFO crash with giant aliens in Las Vegas happening right now. It's going viral online, and I did a little short on that as well, kind of speaking my thoughts. And it's just, I don't know, if it's true, then wow, but it's just weird with all the UFO activity happening, Congress having meetings and whistleblowers coming out, and it just seems like a hot topic right now. And then not to mention with everything else happening in the world, makes you think. Technology advancing. So anyone out there could identify that, let us know. Little lens flare in our way there. Man, it's been hot. As far as action, we did a paranormal investigation at the abandoned haunted hotel last night in Pasadena, which was epic, at least for me. Got some interesting orbs and some strange growling sounds inside. The clips are uploaded. Check those out. Like, share, sub. Let's support the channel, y'all. Go for the 10-minute mark, and we'll go live.
¿Estuvo?
Yes, ya estuvo.
A descansar.
¡Ey! Sí, igualmente, ¿eh?
Gracias.
Mira, ¿ahí va un ovni o qué?
¿Dónde?
Allá donde estoy apuntando la cámara. ¿Está flashando algo?
No miro nada.
¿No? Al rato se le enseño, aquí lo estoy grabando, ¿eh? 10 minutes. All right, let's go live, y'all.